What is up, you guys? Welcome to today's video. Today we're gonna be detailing the inside of the new Pathfinder. So I went to Home Depot, got a couple things, just to clean. If you haven't seen the previous video of kind of how bad it was, I'll link that up top. But I did kind of get ahead with some of the things. So like, if you haven't seen it, you'll see in that video, all this was completely caked. Like, it was like super bad. All this, you'll see it in the other video that's going to be linked. These were all gross. This was all super dusty and nasty. This was like a lot worse shape. It's like still kind of bad, but I'm planning on switching it out still. But anyways, I did get a little bit ahead. I know I said I was going to record everything that I swap over from that old girl. You probably can't see it. Let's see, that old girl right there, RIP, to this one. But I got this from the old one, the red one, and then my head unit, just because like I couldn't connect to the Bluetooth on my other one, on the other head unit that this came with. There's like the old faceplate, which is still in great condition. If anyone wants it, let me know. There's an old stereo, and it's got the, what do you call it? I just wanted to be able to listen to my own music. I mean, the Sublime CD was super cool, but you can only listen to it like 3 or 4 times before you're like, right, I'm kind of done. Anyways. Yeah, so far the only thing I've swapped over is this, the cover, and the head unit. Other than that, I did kind of start cleaning the inside. But what I'm going to be doing today is removing the seats, front and back. I don't know if I'm going to be able to remove these. I'll try my best, but I don't want to waste too much time with it or take too long. But I'm going to like detail all this. We have a carpet cleaner, all that nasty stuff underneath. So I'm going to take off the seats, unbolt them. Hopefully this isn't too hard to remove, and if not, I'm going to remove this as well and just kind of like really go crazy with this thing. It's not in terrible shape, but it's there and it bothers me. So like I said before, the other guy didn't really clean it or anything before he sold it to me, which is fine. I don't care. It just gives me something to do. But in the back too, the carpet's all kind of gross and nasty. So you guys are gonna, hopefully it gets a lot better. But yeah, but look, he gave me some slippers. Just noticed that. Anyways, but yeah, let's get to it. So this is what we're dealing with, just a bunch of like, to be expected, old cars. I had already vacuumed this side, so it's not terrible. But I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna try to clean all this like weird like soda or whatever. I'll clean there again. I'm gonna try to get all this out of the way. To vacuum everything. I'll show you guys the other side as well. Old wear and tear. Still gonna remove these two. I don't know if I'll remove those, but I'm gonna fold everything down and try to like clean the carpet and everything in the back on top of the, I'll show you guys this part right here. Oh, I mean, I think I can remove it, but either way, this is like the dirty part, so I'll do that. This, I'm gonna try to remove this. Well, I'm gonna remove this carpet. Oh no, there's nothing under here. So I'm just gonna clean this carpet as well. This stuff on top, and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, so now the back seats are out. You just undo those 2 bolts. Super simple. I kind of want to take these off, but I don't know if it's a smart idea because they're probably torqued down to specs. So I'm not gonna remove those. I'll just clean around them, the seatbelt like straps and stuff or whatever. So I will be removing this guy. I'm gonna peel this back. I'm gonna take these things out, just kind of clean. Next is this guy. Shoot. Yeah, it shouldn't be too bad actually. Hopefully I can get it out. If it's gonna take too long, I'll just kind of clean it from here, which, you know what, I think I might do. I don't think I'm gonna take it out. I just decided I'm not taking it out, but I'm gonna remove those plastic covers and whatever else I can find. I'm gonna throw this back first. I'm gonna clean all this, and then after I'm gonna start with the cleaning in the back separately. It'll be the same video, just separate from the front. I want to do like all in one motion. But yeah, I found one of these guys. It's to deflate the tires, and it's got the little things inside. But one of my super good friends, Garrett, if you're watching this, I'm probably are. You always do. Anyways, he just got me a ARB auto deflator. Ew, I shouldn't have touched that. But yeah, so I mean, I'm still gonna keep this, but kind of random what you find in other people's old cars. That never safekeeping for now. I'm gonna forget that it's their watch. But yeah, I'm not taking this off anymore. I'm just gonna vacuum everything, clean everything, remove this guy though, and yeah. So I can't find any of the attachments to the freaking vacuum, so I'm just gonna go at it like this, because honestly anything is better than what's in here right now. So let's send it. Just if I find it, I mean, I'll get them, but just, I guess not really any hard to reach places anymore because there's nothing in the way. So that should be enough. Already look at the world difference. Looks like brand new carpet except for all the stains and all that nasty stuff. But I was using the brush, brushing everything out, and then vacuuming the whole fucking area. Oops, probably can't see that far, but anyways. Oh man, I'm too fat for this. Sweating, it's hot, the sun's right on my back, but time for the other side. I'm gonna show you guys a little before, just in case you guys forgot. This is what it looks like now. So over here, like I said earlier, I had already got all this, but all this yummy stuff, all that, and in there now because it kind of got all dirty, but let's do it. So I vacuumed everything. It's just like the carpet, it's like super dirty now, so I just have to like scrub it, which I'm gonna do. I have a carpet cleaner like you guys saw earlier. So now I just need to vacuum this side, like underneath these seats, and that way we can start spraying the cleaning stuff and kind of like finish up. But I thought it was gonna take me a lot longer, but luckily, like doing this, removing all the seats and stuff, not luckily, but I mean it makes it a whole lot easier. So, and most of it except for like this stuff right here came right off. It wasn't like super gross to the point where like I had to really get in there. So I mean, super stoked about that. But yeah, I'm gonna just get this side real quick and then we're gonna get to spraying. Oh my god, I'm tired. But yeah, I got most of it off. Everything that vacuumed out did come out. All that stuff I'm gonna spray with like a degreaser to clean it. So right now, first thing I'm gonna do is spray the carpet, let it soak, and then work on all the plastics. For the carpet, I'm using this guy. I've used it before on house carpet. I don't see it being any different than, what do you call it, car carpet. So hopefully it works just as good. But I guess we're going to find out. Let me set you up real quick. Let's see my phone. Let's do string. Maybe spray. So you're gonna spray all over the nasty spots on the carpet. All this good stuff. And I'm gonna let this all soak while I'm working on all this nasty shit. But hopefully it works. It would kind of be a bummer if it doesn't. But oh well. And the car's gonna get dirty. It's an off-roading car, but I'm already here, so I might as well treat it nice before I mess it up, not somebody else. So I'm gonna let that soak. other side. The trunk's gonna suck. But, oh well. Sweet, so all these things are soaking. Now time to get this guy. This is a Home Depot brand. I don't want to spend a lot more than I needed to. If I was going to do the same thing. So now I'm going to, hello, there we go. Kind of hit all that. I'm going to pull out my gym cup. Some change, and I'm just gonna cover everything, honestly. Fuck it, won't hurt. Look at that, it's already coming off. Gorgeous. Hopefully it doesn't mess up the carpet. Looks like we're gonna have to find out. All in all, it wasn't like super like terrible like I keep mentioning. I'm gonna let this soak for a little bit, and then I'm gonna get a towel and start wiping everything off. Oh wait, I forgot to wipe this. Or I'm sorry, spray this. Spray all in there. Just to get as much as possible. Let's run to the other side real quick. In there. Wiping this down is going to suck more than anything else. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, I don't want to go crazy with it. Sweet, I'm gonna go get some rags, wipe this down, and I'm gonna scrub the floor and then the carpet, and we should be good to go after that. Put everything back in, and I'll kind of show you guys after. With that degreaser, it's all wiped off fairly quick. Like, there's nothing terrible. So here, I'll give you guys a quick little demonstration. Stupid sign. Okay, ready? Look at that. It's all nasty there now. It's easier to see. Look at that. Okay, ready? Last one. Look at that. Thing's so good. Freaking Home Depot Zed purple power industrial power cleaner, whatever the fuck it's called. Keep cussing, I probably shouldn't cuss, but yeah. So I'm gonna just finish this up real quick, and then I'll show you guys the after. I'm gonna do one quick vacuum in here afterwards, just so that I can get all the stuff that just broke loose out. Make sure it's really clean. But overall, I'm super happy with how it's turning out. I'll show you the other side too. All this, so here, this will come off right now. Watch. Should probably spray one more time, but you guys get the gist of it. Remember how dirty that all was? It's all clean now. And all this. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep spraying here and there wherever I see that it needs more. I'll vacuum, then I'll show you guys the end result. Right, so we're gonna spray, kind of like giving it a heavy coat. But like you can see all that nasty shit. I keep cussing, but I can't cuss. All right guys, well, this is the final product. All in all, freaking super crazy difference. Super happy with how everything looks. I was going to do the back, but this took a little longer than I expected. Not as long actually as I thought it would, but longer than I had hoped for. But anyways, I'll probably do the back a different day. I won't record that. It's just more carpet cleaning. I don't even know if I should, just because I will put my tools and stuff back there and kind of, it's expected to get dirty. This, I mean, I guess same, but there was more here, like food and stuff, that probably isn't good at just having it, because it probably end up smelling, building mold, blah 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 blah. So yeah, I'm just gonna throw the seats back on. I'll do a quick little walk around after it's done, and I think it'll be it for this video. All right, well, all the seats are back in. Carpets look perfect. The freaking the seats cover most of like what didn't come off, but all the other oh, that's not the, that's something else. The carpets themselves though, perfect, look great. And yeah, super stoked. Next video I'm gonna be switching out this, the rack, the hubs, and just starting to pass all my starter, just bring my stuff over, transfer my stuff over from the other car into this. But let's see, like I said earlier, the back I'm probably just gonna vacuum. I'm not gonna scrub the carpet, get rid of all this stuff, clean it, make it look nice, but not like scrub it. But yeah, it took me about 2 hours, but it's kind of expected. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.